So this is Friday evening at nearly 7:30. The layout is fully scenescaped. It was kind of when I arrived here this morning at just after 9 o'clock. The layout, all the track work was assembled, but the scenery we hadn't really started on. Since then, all the landscaping has now gone in, and we are in the process of testing and still adding stock to the layout. So this is not Bushy, this is Watford. So these flats were part of the landscape of Watford, and this is what we've been doing and the teams have been doing to assemble the layout beyond where we were this morning. Vaccines have gone in. There's been some sort of troubleshooting with yours truly going around the layout on the fiddle yard side and checking all the track and any teething issues flagged with the powers that be, and they've then spent the afternoon correcting those things. So as the afternoon's gone on, more of the stock has gone onto the layout, and as you can see, some of these things we've seen before already. There are one or two other new things that we've not seen. Everything we can see there is not everything you can see here is things that we have seen, but there's two. Dave, can you just thank you. So the two things that we have got that are new are the maritime shed and the signage shed. These two are new. Thanks, Dave. What else have we got that's new? So all these are reasonably familiar. That Wessex 31 and the rake that goes with it. We've seen that before. This is something that's a bit different. A Malcolm Centenary 90, which you may have seen already, paired with 9014 over the rainbow, and that's on the Malcolm train this time around. And the other two 90s are just running light engine, 35 and 34. So everything else is pretty familiar, mostly Pride. We've obviously got to have that train on, everyone loves that. Further down the layout we've got Kappa 60, I've seen that one a few times, the sleeper obviously, the Climate Pendo, a GWR 800, looks a bit out of place but it's still quite spectacular all the same. A BR56 with the MGR hoppers, the Transport for Wales 158, London Midland 350, that was the first thing that went out today. We've got a BR Green 25, further down the layout the AC Locomotive Group Class 89, a BR 86, a Avanti Pendolino, a DB 92, a GBRF 66. A bit further down we've got the BR 60 and also the Isambard Brunel 60. So further, going down here, we've got a few other locos that are still to make their way out onto the layout, and that wraps up the layout.